You might believe that sipping plain water before bed is a healthy habit, hydrating your body and flushing out toxins. But after 60, that same glass of water could be the hidden reason you're staring at the ceiling at 2 o'clock a.m., struggling to fall back asleep. Here's the problem. Plain water dose and tea contain the nutrients your body needs to relax into deep restorative sleep. It doesn't calm your nerves, warm your body, or provide magnesium, glycine, or tryptophan essential compounds that help you stay asleep through the night.
Even worse,
Plain water goes straight to your bladder. And as you age, your body's ability to retain water weakens. Your bladder signals urgency sooner, pulling you out of deep sleep and leaving you restless. But here's the good news. You, Dan T, have to stop drinking fluids at night. You just need to switch to the right kind. In this video, I'll reveal 5 nighttime drinks that replace plain water, proven to help older adults sleep deeper, wake up less, and feel refreshed by morning. And the number 1 drink doesn't just improve sleep, it also repairs muscles. It boosts collagen and leaves your legs feeling lighter the next day. Stay with me until the end, because the solution could start tonight. Why plain water fails you after 60. Plain water is essential, but at night, it lacks what your body truly needs. It doesn't relax your nervous system. It doesn't warm your core. It carries none of the sleep-inducing nutrients. After 60, your body changes. Antidiuretic hormone declines, so you retain less water. Melatonin production drops year after year. Your bladder becomes more sensitive, even one sip can trigger a 3 a.m. wake up. But the issue isn't water, it's the type of water. Instead of cutting fluids, switch to smarter drinks, ones with magnesium, glycine, tryptophan plant compounds. These drinks won't overstimulate your bladder, chill your stomach, or disrupt sleep. Instead, they help your body hold just enough hydration to last the night. And you don't need much, just 1 small glass, timed right with the right ingredients. That alone can transform your sleep. The 5 best nighttime drinks for deep sleep after 60 each. Drink below shares one key trait. They're not just water. They contain nutrients that shift your body from alertness to rest. Some provide magnesium or glycine to ease tension. Others boost serotonin and melatonin. Most importantly, they won't spike blood sugar, chill your core, or cause restlessness. Let's start with the most common option and build to the most powerful. #5. Warm, unsweetened almond milk, a calming cup that cools an overactive mind. Many think cow's milk aids sleep, but after 60, lactose sensitivity makes unsweetened almond milk a safer, more effective choice. Surprisingly, just 1 warm cup can help you fall asleep faster and wake up less. Magnesium calms the nervous system. Tryptophan converts to serotonin and melatonin. Science-backed results. A 2014 study in the Journal of Research in Medical Sciences found adults drinking almond milk twice daily gained 22 extra minutes of deep sleep and woke up fewer times at night. How to use it. Choose unsweetened, additive-free almond milk. Warm 120 to 150 milliliters, 60 to 90 minutes before bed. Add a pinch of cinnamon for circulation support. Bonus, low calorie, no blood sugar spikes, and gentle on digestion. Try it tonight, and share your results in the comments. #4. Chamomile tea shuts off mental stress in minutes, without sleeping pills. If your mind races at bedtime, chamomile tea can quiet the noise. Its secret: a flavonoid called apigenin, which binds to GABA receptors. Science-backed results. A 2015 study in advanced nursing found seniors drinking chamomile tea fell asleep 16 minutes faster, reduced nighttime awakenings by 30%. 80% reported deeper, more refreshing sleep. How to use it. Steep 1 tea bag for 5 to 7 minutes. Sip 45 to 60 minutes before bed. Add ginger or vanilla for warmth. It's like sleeping pills. Chamomile naturally resets your sleep rhythm. Try it tonight. #3. Lightly warmed coconut water balances electrolytes to prevent nighttime cramps and bladder spasms. After 60, mineral imbalances can trigger muscle cramps or urgent bathroom trips. Coconut water's potassium, magnesium, and natural sodium help stabilize nerve signals, ease bladder spasms, prevent 3 o'clock a.m. wake-ups. Science-backed. Results: a 2017 study in sleep disorders research linked low potassium to 28% more nighttime urination. Restoring electrolytes improved sleep in 1 week. How to use it: dilute 1:1 with warm water. Drink 1+ hour before bed. Add ginger for digestion. Warning: avoid if you have kidney issues or potassium restrictions. #2. Golden milk silences stress hormones for deeper sleep. High cortisol keeps your brain on guard, blocking melatonin. Curcumin in turmeric regulates cortisol, while black pepper boosts absorption 7 to 8x. Science-backed results. A 2019 study in phytotherapy research found curcumin lowered cortisol by 23%. Improved deep sleep. How to use it: mix 1/2 TSP turmeric plus pinch black pepper in 150 milliliters warm milk. Drink 1 hour before bed. Bonus: reduces inflammation and joint pain overnight. #1. Warm gelatin or diluted bone broth, the ultimate sleep and recovery drink. Gelatin's glycine is a game changer. Slows heart rate, lowers core temperature, boosts slow-wave sleep. Science-backed results. A 2007 study in neuropsychophorical found 3 grams glycine before bed. Reduced nighttime awakenings. Left seniors feeling sharper in the morning. How to use it: dissolve 1 TSP unflavored gelatin in 120 milliliters warm water. Sip 30 to 45 minutes before bed. For bone broth, choose low sodium and warm gently. Bonus: repairs muscles, joints, and collagen overnight. How to drink at night without waking up to pee. Drink small amounts. Time it right. Choose nutrient-dense drinks. Empty your bladder right before bed. Sip slowly over 10 to 15 minutes. Test 1 drink per week to find what works. Final thought after 60. Sleep isn't as simple, but you don't have to accept restless nights. Start with 1 drink tonight: almond milk, chamomile, coconut water, golden milk, or gelatin. Which will you try? Share. Your tip could help someone sleep better tonight. For more science-backed tips after 60, subscribe and hit the bell. I'll be here each week, helping you reclaim the deep restorative sleep you deserve. For instant results, use Prostaviv link in comments section.